Hey Jagjit, I'm just looking at your essay 3 and I see some plagiarism. I saw this number here, 19, which is high, so I clicked on it, which gives me the Turnitin report. And then so I just kind of scroll through it, and everything that's highlighted in pink, Turnitin has matched it to some previously published document. And there's quite a bit, and I'm not really sure what happened, but I'm just pointing it out and asking you to fix it. If you want more information to see what Turnitin matched your lines to, you click this little icon here and the number again, and you'll see the two matches. Sometimes those are confusing though, because it could just be that you pulled lines from one of your sources and didn't put it in quotation marks, which is plagiarism. And instead of seeing your source over here as the matched source, you might see another essay that used the same source. So I don't know, is one of your sources Emmons? It looks like that could be what's going on here. Anyway, I need you to look at this and figure out what's going on. If you need direct quotations and quote sandwiches, then do that. If you need to put things in your own words, do that. And if you want to talk about it some more, we can talk about it too.